Hi, my name is Audrey Browning. I'm here with Sweat TV, and I'm going to be breaking down a bird of paradise for you. So you probably want to start from an extended side angle transition. So you're going to come into that warrior two lower body, parallel the back foot to the back of the mat, stack that front knee over the front ankle, and then you want to hinge and reach those arms. Then you come into your bind. So bringing that left arm under, right arm behind the back. From here, slow with control, you're going to start to inch that right foot in. You're going to start to bend into that right knee, bringing that left foot in closer towards you. Once you've shifted that weight into the right foot, you're going to slow with control, begin to come up into your bird of paradise. So lengthening through this leg, you can stay here, or begin to slow with control, kick, extend into your bird of paradise. Hold as long as you can, and that's your bird of paradise.